Tesla is undoubtedly one of the leading producers of electric vehicles. The demand for Tesla cars is increasing each day, and so is its production capacity. Every quarter, Tesla is creating new records for production car deliveries. In Q1 of 2021, Tesla delivered a total of 185,000 cars, the majority being Model 3s. The company has established itself as an industry leader in the EV space due to its innovation in not only superior car technology but also its efficient production line. The company is known for their car models like Model S, Model Y, Model 3, among others. Tesla is seen as a revolutionary in the electric vehicle industry and has its market cap growing exponentially year by year. Elon, Tesla's CEO, is known for his technology-focused and cost-effective approaches in doing things. The Model 3 is assembled from an empty body to a fully functional car in a bit more than 40 steps in 90 minutes. With huge targets set for themselves, they are reaching new heights every year. But how is Tesla managing to meet its production demands? Speed, accuracy, and efficiency are of great essence in any Tesla factory. At Tesla, many robots work alongside about 3,000 humans to do large tasks which humans cannot do fast enough. The versatility of Tesla robots is incredible. Most of the factory robots are designed to do single jobs repeatedly, but some of Tesla's robots are designed to change their tooling while working on a car to do multiple specialized tasks. At Tesla's manufacturing plant in Fremont, California, rolled-up aluminum transforms into fully assembled cars in just 48 hours. The vehicles begin to take shape in the stamping center, where the metal sheets are unrolled and cut so they can be turned into doors, hoods, and other parts. The machine that presses them into various forms operates with extreme precision. The parts are then placed on a conveyor belt. Workers inspect every component, in this case, side panels, before sending them off for storage inside a massive warehouse. The next stage of the vehicle making process involves the checking and inspection of every component to get them ready for the body. It is done at the body shop. It is at this stage that most of the welding works are done, essentially the framework or skeleton of the car. The robots weld the components together to form the car's skeleton. 5,000 welds are required for the Model 3, Tesla's first affordable vehicle. The body line is far more automated than those being used to make the Model S or the Model X, but the Model 3 is meant to be manufactured on a mass scale as it attracts a broader clientele. Tesla's methods of production can change on the fly. A few years ago, when the company struggled to build cars quickly, it determined that some 300 welds were not necessary and reprogrammed the robots to eliminate them to save time. Time is precious when you plan to produce 20 million cars a year by 2030. After the welding is complete, the cars head off to get painted. Next comes the main attraction, the general assembly. All of the major components of the vehicle, including the battery pack, are joined together. It is the hardest part. Elon had called this stage the hell of a production. A few years ago, Tesla had to meet the demand for Model 3, but their production capacity had hit its limit. The company made a huge tent larger than 2 football fields combined outside its factory, allowing the production of over 200,000 vehicles. Earlier, Tesla had more machines and less manpower in its factory. But gradually they increased workers wherever necessary. A good example of that balance is a few blocks from the main factory where Tesla makes seats. Fine fingers are essential in the production of car seats. Pulling the synthetic material over the foam of a chair, making it fit properly, stretching it out, and getting rid of the wrinkles. Most automakers outsource seat making, and Tesla used to do the same. But when a contractor had trouble building seats for the Model X, Tesla decided to move that entire operation in-house. Machines do have a big role to play as well, especially when the seats are ready for final assembly. Even here, Tesla is focused on saving time. This tube feed bolts to the robots so they don't have to physically pick them up. An airgun shoots them through the vacuum tube as illustrated by Clean Technica and shaves off about a second or so. Every second counts. Once the seats are ready, they're fitted into the car. And after the Teslas receive their wheels and tires, they roll off the assembly line. Designing one of the most advanced and efficient automotive factories in the world is insanely difficult. And now, Tesla is replicating it in its factories in Berlin and Shanghai, inevitably helping to bring an end to fossil fuel vehicles. The world is certainly moving in that direction. It may seem like most of the Tesla's production works are handled by robots. Musk once said you can't have people in the production line itself, otherwise you drop to people speed, indicating that humans are the slowest component of the production lines. Everything still boils down to humans. There are certain jobs machines can't do. These are the maintenance of the machines, upgrades, and tending to anomalies. More works at the assembly line will be done by robots sooner than we think. Perhaps it's time for humans to take a break and allow the machines to do the work. With Tesla's innovations in just over 13 years, we look forward to what wonderful ideas the company brings to the table in the coming years.